Welcome to our lesson about creating a circular sketch pattern. Let's start by inserting a new sketch. I'm going to drop a circle about here. And let's deselect everything. Now activate the Circular Sketch Pattern tool. For pattern direction, I'm going to select this edge. Entities to pattern, I'll select my circle. We have the option to offset the pattern in the X and Y directions by dragging this handle. We can also select equal spacing, or enter the total angle value, let's say 300 degrees. I'm going to check dimension radius and dimension angular spacing. Number of instances will be 6. Display instance count is selected. Here is the instances to skip control area. Just click any dots to skip those instances. And accept. Here we can adjust the distance, the angle, the number of instances. Let's make it 8, for example. If you want to edit the pattern, just select an instance. Right-click and then select Edit Circular Pattern. And let's click Accept. And this concludes our tutorial about creating a circular sketch pattern.